teach you how to connect Elementor forms to n8n using a webhook. This simple integration lets you automatically send form submissions from your WordPress site to n8n, where you can store data, send notifications, or connect with tools like Google Sheets and Slack. By the end, every time someone submits your Elementor form, it will trigger an automation in n8n. Start by opening your n8n dashboard in the browser and creating a new workflow. You'll land in the workflow editor, which is where everything happens. Add a webhook node by clicking the Add Node button, searching for webhook, and selecting it. This node will receive the form data from Elementor. Set the method to post and choose a path like contact form or any short memorable name you prefer. Save the node, then copy the webhook URL. We'll paste it into Elementor shortly. Next, click Listen for Test Event on the webhook node. n8n is now actively waiting for a test submission, so keep this tab open until you send data from your form. Switch over to your WordPress dashboard and open the page or post that contains your Elementor form. Click Edit with Elementor to launch the visual editor. Select the form widget. In the left panel, open Actions after Submit and add Webhook as a new action. This tells Elementor what to do after someone clicks Submit. A new webhook section will appear. Open it and paste the n8n webhook URL you copied earlier. Save or update the page so your changes go live. From now on, the form will send submissions to n8n. Visit your live page, fill out the form, and submit it once to send a test. Go back to n8n, and you should see the webhook node capture fields like name, email, message, and phone. This confirms the connection is working. If you want cleaner data, add a set node. Use it to create tidy fields such as name, email, and message, mapping them from the incoming JSON, for example with expressions like JSON, name. To store submissions, you can add a Google Sheets node. Choose the append row operation, select your spreadsheet, and map name, email, and message to your columns. Each new form entry becomes a new row. For alerts, add an email node. Set the recipient, a clear subject like New Elementor Form Submission, and include variables such as name, email, and message in the body. Finally, click Activate Workflow in n8n. Your automation is live, and every Elementor form submission will now trigger your workflow end to end.